Let's talk about apostrophes. The first way to use an apostrophe is when we are using a contraction. Now, the root word of contraction is contract, which means to bring something together. So you take the word won't, if you expand that, you have will not. So what we've done is taken those two words, will not, and brought them together with an apostrophe, won't. And if you take it's, you expand that, it becomes it is. The second way that we use an apostrophe is when we are talking about possession. So if you possess something, it means you own it. And this can apply to humans and people, but it can also apply to the qualities of things. So for example, you might say the table's legs, right? But it's not a person, but legs still belong to the table. So you take the term John's bag. Here, the bag belongs to John, so we put the apostrophe there to indicate possession with the S. You say the chicken's coop. Now this is a bit of a different one. The coop belongs to the chickens, but chickens plural, there's more than one. So we actually put the apostrophe after the S if you're talking about a plural noun. Here are some exceptions to using apostrophes and some different ways that we can use them. So you take this sentence here, I'm going to have to fill out 3 SDRs. SDR stands for Staff Development Review. So that is what we call an abbreviation. So if you're talking about a plural of abbreviations, you can actually use an apostrophe. And if you say, there were so many ducks, this is the #1 most common mistake when using apostrophes, is that this person has actually used the apostrophe S for plural. So whenever you're talking about plural of common nouns, you're not going to use an apostrophe. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, remember to subscribe, comment, like, I don't know, and I'll see you in the next one.